Good morning to all. I am Priyadarshini, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Sakti College of Arts and Science for Women. Today we are discussing about nano science and technology. First one, dative bonds. The stabilization of metal ions by ligands that donate electron pairs to vacant metal outer orbitals is called dative bonds. The dative bonds involves a metal that forms neutral, cationic or anionic complexes. The coordination of metal ions can vary from 2 to 12 ligands, but the usual number of coordinating ligand is 6. Complexation of metals is relevant in biology, pharmacology, environmental chemistry, and supramolecular chemistry. The process of binding metals to form macrocyclic ring is called chelation. A dative covalent bond is like a covalent bond in which electrons are shared, but in the case of dative bonding, both electrons are usually donated by one atom. Dative bonds are also known as coordination or dipolar bonds. Coordinating bonds comes in many forms: ionic, covalent, dative or mixed. Ligand-stabilized clusters. One of the significant achievements or nanocluster science is the stabilization of metal complexes like Au55 and chlorine 6 clusters. The PPH3 is zero valent and forms dative bonds to the gold cluster. Chelates. Chelation is the specialized form of metal coordination bonding that involves a molecule with at least 2 binding sites or ligands. From monodentate, bidentate to multidentate, chelates are named according to the number of ligands that their single molecule can provide to bind the metal cation. Coordination sphere of metal and ligands complexes is composed of the number of ligands that are directly attached to the metal. These are called inner sphere complexes. Complex cation, however, are able to associate with anions without displacement of inner sphere ligands. These are called outer sphere complexes. They are characterized by short lifetimes and specific and monospecific geometry. The free energy of the complexation is given by del G equal to minus RT ln of beta, where beta is the overall equilibrium complexation constant. The stability constant for adding a succession of monodentate ligands. These are the examples.